1 minus 6 gives us negative 5. And inside this parentheses, we have 2 minus 6, which gives us negative 4. So we have negative 5 times negative 4, which equals positive 20. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and then finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 2 minus 6, which equals negative 4. So 1 minus 6, then times negative 4. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 6 times negative 4 is just negative 24. So 1 minus negative 24. Negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 1 plus 24, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem.